here we have crickets. Yummy. I mean, sure, it's not the live ones, but these last longer. I'll put them down there, which that is a plastic container that we cut out and stood in there because they're getting so heavy. Hey guys, I made like a little bridge. Yeah, sometimes I have to show them. Look at what's in here. Crickets. There you go. Crunch. And Tucker got one. Okay, Mynie. Come on, Tuck. You little one. There they are. Look, it's crickets. Yummy. They take it and they split. Yeah, I guess they're like ducks. They need the water with their food because they never really just sit up there and eat. There they are. Now when I put them in a pond outside, like I said, they run from me like they don't know who I am. But I love keeping them in the tank. So much more personality. Say bye-bye. Tuck, tuck. Oh, there he goes. He goes on there's some crickets up there. And he just kind of, even though I've made the bridge, he's big enough he doesn't need the bridge. And down he goes.